Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Helen Vingado Medina.
How old are you?
I am 47 years old.
Where do you live?
I live at Barangay Rizal, Makati City.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and two sisters. And I am the third eldest of the family.
Okay. Are you single or married?
Single ma'am.
Do you have kids?
No ma'am.
Okay. Are you a high school or college graduate?
College graduate, 2-year secretarial course.
Okay. Do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes ma'am. I am working Bahrain, Kingdom Manama, Bahrain.
For how long?
For 8 years.
Okay. What are your main duties with them?
I am cooking, taking care of the baby, washing, cleaning, cooking.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
To save my money and for my future and to help my parents for their needs.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
A little bit, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Depends, ma'am, but I am willing to.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach their they're doing the assignment and learn how to speak English and writing English.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know that this la 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 la.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
Kind, patience. That's all.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs and cats?
A little bit, ma'am.
Okay, what can you say about yourself, your attitude?
Hardworking and nice.
Okay, that's all.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer?
I'm hoping that you will choose me as your helper. I will do all my best to do my work in your house, and I will try my best also to teach your children for their assignment and for their manners. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise to finish your contract?
Ma'am?
Can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.